Hello, Namaste everyone. My name is Gaurav Anand. I am the executive chef here for Sheraton Grand Bangalore at Brigade Gateway. We have gathered here to showcase a very simple homemade recipe which you can definitely try during the lockdown time. And I'm very much thankful to Amul for giving an opportunity to do these things. So, while preparing this dish, the dish name is stuffed bread parcel with mushroom and broccoli fricassee. Among this, if you have just have a close look at the product which I have taken it up, we have taken some tomatoes, some butter, some Amul cheese, Amul cottage cheese, bread. I have taken a brown bread, maybe you can take any white bread or a multigrain bread. For fricassee, I have just taken some chopped onion, some garlic, cream, mushroom, broccoli, and some spring onion.
Sound, please.
Uh, I have just got to know some message that is my sound audible? Is I am audible now? Is this thing? So the thing is that the recipes is a very home recipe, and it generally I should say that it has been inspired by my wife. She has been preparing this dish for my kids, and it's just a very healthy dish, a very easy to prepare, and with a little twist to it. Just come a little closer.
साउंड प्लीज कर रहे हैं सब.
Okay, just let me check the sound is. Sorry, I'm just working on some sound. Okay, audible. Thank you, Rajinder, for just telling it that I'm perfectly audible. Thank you, Rajinder. So it's just a small recipe. I just wanted to show you one thing. So just remember, this is the very dish. So what we are going to do, we are just going to take a little bread, and see the beauty of this dish is this. My wife prepares very beautifully for my kids, so they love to have this thing. And after getting it, so we just roll down the bread a bit to make it a little flattened, because we will be putting up some stuffing into it. You just with a rolling pin, just roll it out, and we take another slice. I have taken a small bread. It can very well be done by if you take some sandwich bread also, so there is no harm to it. And I'll just add some little cottage cheese. We'll take it, we'll slice small 3 slices, so that just placing it up on the top of this thing, just making an inner stuffing, since kids love to have things with some cottage cheese, some tomatoes. I've taken one slice of tomatoes to be kept here. A little salt, pepper need to be sprinkled. Will not add too much, reason being because I'm going to add a little cheese over the top of this thing also. And post this, just to make little creamy, because the kids will love to have little thing, we'll just place it a little cheese on the mixture. Post that, we need to just dap it. So I take another bread and dap it with little water, so that there is a moistness is there to seal the bread edges. So see, the edges are required because when we will doing a little pan frying on the table or on the hot plate, it should not split it up. So just gently, you just press it up, and with the help of a knife, or I have taken some knife to it, just to make a little press on this thing to seal the edges of the bread. And a very nicely done small pockets. It's very kid friendly. It's very just to make enhances, because kids feel like it's having it done. So this is how we made of a bread pocket, which has some cottage cheese, some tomatoes, and some Amul cheese. I have also done make it a little prior, so we did it. Now what we'll do, we'll make a small batter to it. A batter is something on the lines of a French toast which we make it. I have taken some eggs. In this egg we'll add some milk. Definitely I have taken some Amul milk to it. We'll add a little subsequently amount of a little black pepper. Maybe if somebody doesn't want to have a little black pepper, then only a salt can be added. Now this is a very spice ingredient, so you can add as per what you will feel like in having it. So maybe a little salt is fine, and we just need to little whisk it up. Just make one thing sure that this mixture should be of a cold. This should not be a room temperature. Reason being, it will give a little strengthening power to it. Now we come here and just bake these things. The gas is on. We'll do the panning in the butter. We just do a little pan frying in this thing. Some applying of little Amul butter to it, over to it. We dip it, bread to into it, and we place it over on a very hot non-stick pan. One I have made in front of you, one I already did it in just order to save the time. So that's the batter, and it will take around another 5 minutes to take it. We don't need to do the overpowering or something to it, and this is how the basting is happening. We apply a little butter to it before turning it over to it something. I'm 100% sure if my kids see this dish, and to add it more, I'll apply it like using it with mushroom and some broccoli to make it. So this is a parcel. So inside a cottage cheese, there's a cottage cheese, there's a Amul cheese, which is making it because happening a little softer inside it. The things that are getting little will be softer and moist and healthy. Oh wow, the flavor is also coming very nice, and I can feel the good smell of the butter. And I think when you will do it, I'm also feeling a little cheese. Just when you melt a cheese, so you get a little aromatic feeling of it. It's coming out the same. So just in the meantime, when you are cooking it, also you can do a little side edging. Now it all depends upon how much you have to do. You can make it very crispy also. You can make it semi-soft also, depending upon, like maybe your kid doesn't want to have a very crispy thing.
Without egg option.
Suppose if you don't want to use any egg, I have taken a little egg. The wonderful thing, you can only take a refined flour and a little water to it and a little milk to it. That's all. If you want to avoid egg. The egg, though it's a vegetarian dish, but only the egg is the part which has come into the dish. So you can definitely make it without egg also. Taking refined flour and a milk and a little amount of water. Why water is required just to it is because it helps in creating a little dilution, which helps it out. So I think it is almost done. Wow. So it has come out to very nicely done. So what I'll do, I'll just slide it over to my chopping board. Now I just wanted to show you how it feels like and how it will be getting. I'll just give a little slice to it, and wow, this cheese is very melting into it and it's coming in. So I'm just applying and just keeping it on a plate to have it. You can serve one portion to it. This is another slice which we have done it, and see the moistness, the cottage cheese, and I'll just keeping it. Now this is even itself very ready to use. You can use the same thing. You don't want to make the mixture, but to make it interesting for the kids, so the kids should also have a protein in the vegetables. I'm making some vegetable fricassee out of the thing. I will be using some onion, some broccoli, some mushroom, and some little spring onion. Please come along. So I add a little butter to it, Sorry, I just take my ingredients list little closure.
क्या क्या लिख रहे हैं सब? बकवास लिख रहे हैं.
Tell me. You add some onion to it, some mushroom, some broccoli, and what I have done, I have already cooked it. The mushroom and the broccoli has already been little bit boiled up, so it doesn't require much cooking. So a little butter to be added up so that it becomes a little flavor. I'll not add because too much of cooking is not required since I have already par cooked it. We'll add a little cream to it. It's almost done. A slight cream just to make it little moistness. I add a little salt to it. A little black pepper to it, and just mix it up. It is almost done. Looks very interesting, looks very flavorful, looks very even healthy also. And this can be served with this. A very interesting dish, a very lovely dish. It makes a complete meal, and one of my favorite and one of my kids' favorite also. We just add a little spring onion, and dish is ready to have.
देश का नाम.
The dish name is mozzarella cheddar cheese, cottage cheese and tomato bread parcels with some broccoli and mushroom fricassee. Thank you very much. Please enjoy it with your family. This is one of the very simple dish. You can just prepare it with the lockdown and enjoy the dish. Thank you.